Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the address on your vehicle logbook called the V5C. This is really important when you move, and if you don't update it, you could get fined up to 1,000 pounds. The good news is it's very simple and only takes 2 to 3 minutes. You just need your vehicle registration number, your V5C reference number, and your new address. This online service is available from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. First, click Start Now. Enter your vehicle registration number and your V5C reference number. Then type in your new address. If you want a confirmation by mail, you can add your email, but it's optional. Before you submit, double check all your details carefully. If there's a mistake, you'll need to apply by post and pay £22 to fix it. Once everything is correct, confirm and continue, and your address will be updated. That's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.